Today I'm going to be doing a video on some of my birthday gifts. But this was one of my birthday gifts, and I got it today, but it was a consignment. So I just put Julie on it, and this is the vintage version, I think. And then over here is Julie's bedroom accessories. Back there's her nightstand where you can't see it. And then Julie's bathroom, I will be doing a different video on and unboxing. And I'm going to start with the nutmeg to open. I'm going to start with nutmeg. So nutmeg is this brown bunny. Guess where it gets the name is nutmeg. Has a white chin, some cute whiskers and black eyes, and has some very fluffy ears, and it's so tiny and cute. Now let's get him a snack. That's weird. It says do not eat like it's real. That's funny. And then it has it in all the languages that they sell American Girl in. These orange carrots with these green tops. So there's a little snack for nutmeg. Or you could also use it for Julie too, but I'm going to use it for nutmeg. Now, nutmeg is tired and he wants to take a nap, so Julie will have to get him a bed, which I am opening right now. This is so hard to open, I wish I brought scissors. This is so tricky. Okay. Let's try really hard to get this basket open. There's got to be I'm making one. Okay, got it open. So it's this crate kind of, but it's wearing a basket shape. And then it has this cute cushion thing, it's really cute. This is so fluffy, and it says nutmeg. It's so cute. It is pink, and nutmeg is in purple. It's so cute. So I'm gonna stick nutmeg in and with some carrots. And I'm gonna put that maybe right down here. And Julie's basketball will be right there. And the last thing I'm gonna open, because I didn't get a lot of gifts, is Julie's sound accessories. So I already opened this to put the batteries in and to test it out because it's really cool. So let's start with this. It's in blue, a lot of shades of blue, and swipe. There's this and this, and watch this. So let's grab her CD case, which is really cute. There's 3 different kinds, and I'm going to do this orange one because there's only one, so it might be a special or something. Let's see. It says Columbia Chicago Stereo. What way is it? This is so cool. This is so cute. And then you can turn it down, and then it will just go all the way off. And I like this song actually. And then so that's really cute. Yeah. This, so far, out of the 2 I've listened to, I like this one the best. And then there's this sound thing. Let's see. This already comes with batteries, but this does not. Let's see. Okay, it's on. Record. Hello? Okay, I played some different one that came. So, I don't know how you get it to your new one, like if it only does one or something, but it's kind of weird. And it's so cute, and it's just really fun. And then there's this fake microphone. How do you turn this thing on? Oh, this is volume. You hear a click. How on earth does this work? Oh, there. So I'm gonna keep this right here, like she was playing with it and then she took a rest or something. How did, there. So that look. Okay, so this is like, I'm gonna have to figure out how to turn this off later, but the two sets are very cute and I will be doing another video for that, and I haven't opened that yet, so I hope you like this video. Bye!